Hey there, my name is Chase Murphy and I'm a Senior ConnectWise Consultant at ProVal Tech, and today I wanted to go over how to use Automate to look for other RMM applications that might be installed on your endpoints because we've been getting a lot of questions due to the Kaseya vulnerability and breach that happened recently. So let's get into it. So the easiest way to handle this and the way we typically do it is go to Automation and Data Views. And then we'll go down to software, and there's a full software listing data view. That's just going to show you every piece of software on every single machine in your environment. So if you pull this up, you should be able to see all that data, and then you can start searching for application names. So you could search for Kaseya and find your Kaseya Connect or Live Connect agents. Sometimes they might be whitelisted, so I know ours is usually listed as Promon. It doesn't look like it's on any of ours. You could look for Continuum, which is IT support. Oh, and we found one agent that had a Continuum on there. So the reason that we wanted to show this data is then you can get these agents uninstalled if they're from a previous MSP that managed those endpoints, or if there is a large vulnerability happening and you just want to feel extra secure that that software has been removed. Conveniently, it should show you the application uninstall string right next to it, and you should be able to attempt to run that and uninstall from the system. There is a shortcut in this particular data view that you can just go and uninstall the application. That is not 100% effective. We would suggest opening up the agent after that and heading over to the commands tab to ensure that the command completed successfully, and then updating the software inventory on the machine to ensure that it is no longer visible in either this list or on the computer's software inventory. So thanks for watching. We hope this is helpful. We try to post a new video every week to share our knowledge on Automate. To learn more about what we do, please visit provaltech.com. There should be a link in the video description below. Thank you.